What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. We are going back to the Queen of the Murder Scene album, and we are doing the Queen of the Murder Scene from The Warning. Super excited to be listening to the next part of the story. I did read the lyrics, and let's just listen and see what we think about it. Let's check it out. Here we go. Live at CMX. Cool background.
Don't really wanna understand what it's like to have blood on your hands. You don't deserve it from the crown is mine, and I really don't want to be signed. You don't really wanna lose some fear. Dare to try and this upon my dear. Open your eyes, 'cause you can't even see the fact that I just can't be controlled by anything but let's see you try. I'm a machine of emotion, a perfect scene for the murder queen. You can always tell us a mortal, but it just doesn't apply to me. Something worth living for. I want someone make everything good. It's not something I like to conceal. I have no mercy and I never
What's that word mean? It's into it, don't she?
If you wanna destroy me, open your eyes, 'cause you can't even see the fact that I just can't be controlled by anything but let's see you try. I'm a machine of emotion, a perfect scene for the murder queen. You can always tell it's a mortal, but it just doesn't apply to me. It just doesn't apply to me.
Yeah. Still like 30 seconds. Dude, that was a really awesome song. Right? Kind of scared me. Ugh. I'm not 100% what they're saying. I'm sure you guys probably know. Awesome song. Wow. Really enjoyed it. Again, they just put on an awesome show. Amazing. Try to listen to the lyrics more. You know, I'm not good with the lyrics. You guys can probably tell me what is going on more. I guess the evil side's taking over. Still, I think. Yeah, let me know in the comments what's going on. I'd appreciate it. Cool song. If you guys have any other suggestions and stuff, you can throw those down in the comment section. I would love to see any of the suggestions. I'll put them on my list. If you guys got anything you want me to do right away, I have a Patreon page. You can check that out. New videos every single day as well, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. I am going to get out of here because I am extremely hungry right now. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.